So this was all about the receiving. Now we will see the purchasing accounting. The purchasing accounting is another term of acquisition accounting, and it refers to the process of changing the book value of the assets of an acquired company. Companies uses purchase accounting in acquisitions or mergers. Acquisition is the purchase of a company, and merger is a combination of two companies to form a new company. The allocation will include the value of land, buildings, and other physical assets such as equipment and furniture, as well as the inventory. Here are some key accounts in procure to pay life cycle that has the impact in the accounting. So these different accountings are receiving inventory account, inventory AP accruals, that is account payable accruals, AP liability account, expense account, material account, the charge account, PPV account, that is purchase price variance account, finally the invoice price variance account, that is IPV account. The one important thing in the receiving, that is receiving and accounting, which is invoicing and payment. So if we create the invoice for particular supplier, then from the same window, invoicing window only, we can get the detailed information about the payment also. So in this slide you can see the invoice numbers. So in the invoice window, the invoice number is coming 1013-3-week-47, and if we make the payment, we view the payment details from this payment tab, then simply on the payment window we can get the same invoice number, that is 1013-3-week-47. So invoicing and payment, from the invoicing window only we can get the detailed information about the invoicing as well as the payment. This is the accounting flow in Oracle purchasing. So when we create the requisition and purchase